to West New York Living. This next part's a little tongue-in-cheek, okay? But I'm like every man watching right now believes every home improvement project should only take a weekend. And of course, I could do it myself with maybe just a little help. I can also say that logic's gotten me in over my head, and I now realize best to leave those things to the professionals, of course. And I have one sitting right next to me now. It's always a pleasure to have Mike Washington here from Ivy Lea Construction. You hear that a lot, right? Well, I can do this in a weekend.
Sometimes, yes.
And it's absolutely not true, especially if you want it done right and done well. Let's talk about home improvement projects. Design, that's really the first step here. Any home improvement project, particularly bathrooms, let's say, design's important, isn't it?
Yeah, bathroom's really a good thing to talk about design first off. There's so many parts and pieces that go into a bathroom from several manufacturers. You might have 15 to 20, 30 different manufacturers, and we had to get all these pieces to work together and work together seamlessly, no leaks. It looks nice. It actually functions properly how you need it. So ultimately, the design is a real big piece of it. You know, we're going to come right out to your house first, really go through a needs assessment with you, figure out what you need. If it's a tub that you're going to turn into a shower, or hey, you might have a shower that you need a tub. We have some tubs today that there's actually doors on them, so you still need a tub, but you can get in easy access, some ADA compliant stuff. There's so many different needs, and every house is different. And then we started on the design. Okay, we get a designer involved, and she'll come right out to your house, make all sorts of renderings for you, actually show you in 3D what your bathroom is going to look like on our computers to be able to show you, hey, how it's going to function together and how it's really going to serve your needs.
One of the things that I understand you do differently in Ivy Lea Construction is you design. This is a team. You assign a team to the project. So if you're going to do your bathroom remodel, like these great remodels we're seeing here, it's a team, and that team's working on your project.
Absolutely, it's the same guys all the way through from the beginning to the end, from the selection process, the design process, to actually when we actually start taking it apart. Everyone's licensed, everyone's insured, our plumbers are coming in, our electricians are going to come in. Everything is going to get inspected all the way through, so there's no surprises. We're going to know exactly what went on behind the walls, document it all, we photograph everything. So down the road, if you need to make a change or something else coming along, it's all in our system. We'll be able to see behind the walls, which you can't do on the front side.
What's the biggest trend you're seeing right now? I see laundries in the bathroom now. What's the biggest trend you're seeing right now?
They're seeing a lot of laundries and trying to make it a one-stop, right? So a lot of curbless showers, a lot of showers that are open with less glass in them. We see a lot of black fixtures going in for faucets, shower heads. We've seen a lot of Toto toilets, a lot of bidet toilets going in. Some of them are really effective and also price conscious now. They used to be really expensive to put in, and today it's really nice to be able to have that function in your home.
So you can put that space age toilet. Sometimes you go to a hotel and you say, what is this thing? You can put that in your home, right?
You can actually put that in your home. Some of them come with the remotes. It's really cool. Absolutely.
How are we going to pay for this?
Yes, this time of year, you know, a lot of people are getting their refunds back. It really comes in handy this time of year. You don't have to wait for that. If you do have one coming, we have a lot of different finance options. We have all sorts of different coupons. We have some 0% for 2 years still, which is super popular with our clients. And we also have some 4.99, which goes out for different terms. So you can get up to 144 months, 12 years to pay it off. So there's all sorts of different options.
That's why it's worth making the call. The financing options available and the experts at Ivy Lea Construction. They're the most trusted name in home improvement for your next exterior or interior needs. And to find out more about all the services they offer, including bathroom remodels and design, head to their website, ivyleaconstruction.com, or give them a call, 875-8654. And remember those great financing options that Mike just talked about for all your home improvement projects, including they do have 24-month 0% financing. So hop on that. All right, coming up next, we'll be taking a look at some of the